Okay, hello everyone. This is Emily. Okay, so I will be explaining the quality function deployment. So first thing that we need to understand is what quality function deployment is. The two most used definitions of quality function deployment are: the first one is it's a tool that is used to help transform the voice of customer into engineering characteristic for a product. Or the second one is quality function deployment is a system with the aim of translating and planning the voice of customer into the quality characteristic of products, processes, and services in order to reach customer satisfaction. So, the first to understand this definition, first we need to understand what voice of customer is. Voice of customer is the level of satisfaction that is measured by brief processes. It's some level of satisfaction that customers need from any product or service. So companies measure that level of satisfaction through different processes. So quality function deployment is actually a process by which companies measure what level of satisfaction customers require through their product or service. Quality function deployment is not only a quality tool but also an important planning tool, because to attain the level of satisfaction, companies first must need to plan, because without planning they can never achieve the level of satisfaction. Now, what is the process of quality function deployment? There are four stages in quality deployment function. The first one is product planning. The product planning consists of defining and prioritizing customer needs, analyzing competitive opportunities, planning a product to respond to needs and opportunities, establishing critical characteristic target values. The second stage consists of assembly part deployment. It consists of identifying critical parts and assemblies, flow downing critical product characteristics, translating into critical part characteristics and target values. Third stage is process planning. It consists of determining critical process and process flow, developing product deployment and equipment. Third stage consists of process planning. It consists of determining critical process and process flow, develop production equipment requirement, and third one is establishing critical process parameter. The fourth stage consists of process quality control. It consists of determining critical part and process characteristic, establishing process control methods and parameters, and lastly, establish inspection and test methods and parameters. These are the four stages in the process of quality function deployment. Now we will understand the quality function deployment with an example. This is a chart of uh, house of quality, and this diagram is actually defining the process of quality function deployment. And if you see in this part is actually the customer requirements, and these are customer priorities. These are the competitive assessments. Here we understand the relationship between the customer satisfaction, customer requirements, and customer priorities. And this all is a technical side. So first we will skip the technical side. Let's discuss these part which are actually the most important parts. For mobile phone, what are the customer requirements? Okay, so if you see, they require 3G video call, Bluetooth, QWERTY keyboard, operating system, GPS navigation, etc. And if you see the prioritize, they need good talk time, weight of cell phone, random access memory, etc. Now, if you see the dots and these dots plus minus show the relationship between these characteristics. So, circle positive in circle is strongly positive, positive, negative, strongly negative. If there is strongly positive, that means the relationship is good. But if the relationship is negative, then it means they need improvement. So like here, the central processing unit and random access memory, the relationship between these two characters is very strong, while the relationship between these characteristics is very low. So this way the house of quality works, and this is how it explains the QFT function. What are the advantages of QFT? QFD is customer driven because it's only talk about the customer satisfaction. It is comparative analysis because through the quality function deployment we get to know and understand our all our competence and reduce development costs, because in quality function deployment we make planning at the initial stages, so this saves our cost. So in short, the quality deployment function talks about the satisfaction of customer which they require from the products and services. Hope you like the video. Thank you.